Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Karen Vanessa Herrera y el día de hoy voy a realizar el ejercicio de fluidez con la escena de Rachel de la serie Friends. Iniciamos.
I saw it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm talking about that which you already know but won't admit. You know, that you love her again. You re-love her.
Look, I do not re-love her.
Can't believe you won't just admit it. Okay, just promise me that you won't do anything stupid.
But we're just friends now, okay? Why would I do anything stupid?
Well, the apartment is already subletted. I mean, this is just hopeless. I'm never going to find anything.
Well, the apartments are already sublet. I mean, this just hopeless. I never get find anything.
You can live with me.
What? What?
What?
What?
Oh my God, are you serious? I would love to live with you, Ross. That's great. Thank you.
Oh my God, are you serious? I would love to live with you, Ross. That's great. Thank you.
Just glad I could, help you out.
Wow, I'm so happy for you guys. This is so not stupid. Ross, you have no idea what this means to me. I mean, I was going to be homeless. You've just saved me. You're my hero.
Ross, you have no idea what it means to me. I was going to be homeless. You saved me. You're my hero.
Yeah, what this means to me. I mean, I was going to be homeless. You've just saved me. You're my hero.
Hero? I don't know. Well, all right.
I have to go tell Monica what a wonderful brother she has. Oh.
I have to go tell Monica what a wonderful brother she has.
Please. You're going to say things now, aren't you?
No, I won't. But I should tell you this. This exact same thing happened to my roommate, Denise.